Go to the third activity, punctuation marks. My dear children, this question is a very easy question, but you are always in confusion. Though it is very easy, but be very serious. Where while putting the punctuation marks, give all the punctuation marks correct. Suppose in an example, 2 to 3 punctuation marks are asked. You are going to attempt all, but if you are going to miss one punctuation mark, you will not get full marks, you will get 0 marks there. So, while putting the punctuation marks, keep in mind 2-3 things. The first important thing, capitalization. The first important thing about capital letters. Just see where the capital letter will come. Second one trick I will tell you for this question for punctuation marks. My dear children, you all are familiar with 4 kinds of sentences. That is a simple sentence, assertive sentence, it is also called as assertive sentence. Second one is, my dear children, you are already familiar with 4 kinds of sentences. That is assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence. Assertive sentence means simple sentence. Interrogative sentence means question. Third one is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence imperative sentence means order, command or request. And fourth one is exclamatory marks. Very simple one. If you are familiar with these 4 kinds of sentences, they will be asked in a direct speech. And direct speech means what? Someone has said this sentence. We will see the example in punctuation marks. The servant said, what a kind man he is. What to do? Very simple one. The servant said, someone has said this sentence. So servant said, so servant, yes, will be capital O here. Where will be the punctuation mark? Here will be the punctuation mark. T will be capital because beginning of a sentence. Then here, servant said, after servant said, direct speech is there. And direct speech means what? Someone has said this sentence. Who has said this sentence? The servant has said this sentence. So the punctuation marks, here will be the punctuation marks, here will be the punctuation marks, here will be the capital letter. Then what a kind man he is. This is not a question. It's an exclamatory sentence. So the servant said, T will be capital like this. Put comma here. Put this in double inverted comma. Here this sentence is there. So beginning of a sentence will be capital. That will be the what? The servant said, what a kind man he is. Last will be the punctuation marks. The punctuation marks will be exclamatory marks. And afterwards, inverted comma, close. So how many punctuation marks? 1 capital, 2nd capital, 3rd, 4th, and this one is 5th. So 5 punctuation marks were asked in this. You people must be able to do the all 5. If you are missing only one, or if you are writing, giving all these punctuation marks, and you are not writing this W in capital, then also you will get 0 marks. What I mean to say, while giving the punctuation marks, give all the punctuation marks properly. At the same time, pay attention toward the capital letters. Is that clear? Okay. Now go to the second one. Second is, did you give any Guru Dakshina? I asked. Did you give any Guru Dakshina? What is this? This is question. Very nice. So the beginning of the sentence will be capital. That will be D. Who has said this? I asked. Who has asked this? I asked. It is given at the last. No problem. But this is the direct sentence. direct comment of someone who's it's a mine comment. What I said, did you give any Guru Dakshina? So did you give any Guru Dakshina will be in double inverted comma. This is question. So put here question marks. Very good. I asked, I single I would be capital and at the last give full stop. So you people have to solve or you people have to do this activity in this way. Is that clear? Now go to the next one. The second set is there. Again, two sentences are there in your board exam. So like these two sentences will be asked. And these sentences from our textbook. Now here whatever the two sentences are there, they are there from the board exam. Already they were asked. They will not ask, but the sentences will be like this. What is the sentence? She said or she smiled, a beggar changed my life. Someone has said this sentence. So she said, yes would be the capital. So she said, comma, like the above sentence. Put here double inverted comma. A sentence is so A would be capital. She said, a beggar changed my life. Double inverted comma, close, full stop. It was very simple and it was asked in the board exam. Go to the next one. What's your opinion on the future of Indian boxing? Ask the interviewer. This question is there from Mary Kom. Super mom, the Mary Kom. And interviewer is asking the question. What he is asking question? What's your opinion on the future of Indian boxing? Ask the interviewer. You know, here direct comment is there or a direct speech is there of the interviewer. So obviously that will be there in capital letter. So the starting will be in capital. It will be there in double inverted comma. What's your opinion on the future of Indian boxing? Indians I will be capital. Indian boxing. This is the question. So question mark, double inverted comma, closed. Ask the interviewer and at the last give full stop. If you are doing in this way, it would be very clear, but as I told you in the beginning, pay attention towards each and every punctuation marks. The word is what's. So what's means here apostrophe s is there. This is very important one. What's means what is. What is your opinion? In short it is what's your opinion. Is that clear? So what's your opinion on the future of Indian boxing? Ask the interviewer. So here we end up with the third activity, my dear children. It is a very easy activity, but pay attention towards each and every punctuation mark.